All right.
You ready? Oh, we got a gift.
You got me a gift?
No, I personally did not get you a gift. This came in the mail today. I was here first thing this morning. And it was waiting for us in a nice envelope. I destroyed the envelope and I had to put it in the jazz bag.
Was it addressed to me?
So this is, this is a gift. Well, yeah, it was to Jaswell. To which it didn't say Dustin, so I was like, I can open it. So I did.
Wait. Is this record? This is recording.
Yeah.
It's gonna pop something
We're
out.
on. No.
This is truly a gift from somebody.
This is truly a gift from Julie in Indiana. Don't quote me on that. We'll look at the envelope in a second.
Julie S. Was it Julie? I don't want to say her name, but was it Julie?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I'm very nervous now.
So this is this is a gift from her, and here you go.
Have you ever talked to Julie S?
I have not personally, but
Julie,
I want to now.
Girl, this is not gonna be like a post.
This is so exciting.
Okay, it didn't pop at me.
Oh,
It's a
at the
pop.
pop. You censor yourself, but read it.
It says, "Poop don't stink."
Yeah.
Spray.
Poop don't stink spray. That made me laugh so hard.
It says spray toilet water prior to your pooping and yours won't stink.
Now I was trying to figure out why we got this gift. I said,
Julie.
I said, did we?
Oh.
It doesn't smell horrible. I'm very curious to see how it works.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna do a detailed experiment here and report back to everybody.
Get the camera, let's try it.
Yeah, but it's certainly a fascinating thing there, and I guess good. That's
Have you ever talked to Julie?
no.
Okay. You would get it.
Okay.
If you talk, she's a beautiful spirit, we'll say.
Okay.
Julie, what are you doing, girl?
That's-
I guess everybody poops, I guess.
Yeah, that's awesome. I was and actually, and
Can you see it? Maybe right there.
I don't want to spoil it. We got something else too. I was excited to give you this one. We got something else. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm just, just test it out.
It goes in the toilet.
Thanks. I will make sure everybody uses the spray. I don't even know.
Thank you. Yeah, very appreciative. It was super cool and it was super thoughtful and nice. But the other one, we got another one coming tomorrow.
Julie, last time somebody sent us a gift, it's not like people send us gifts every day, but the last time somebody sent us a gift, it was a bottle of wine.
Oh wow,
I'm just
that's
saying.
a shot.
It was a bottle of wine,
That's
Julie.
a
She knows
shot.
who she is. We have a good deal,
Wow.
but you sending me poop spray.
I love it. I personally love it. I think that's super cool. So, anyway, that's that.
You smell it?
Yeah,
It smells good.
I do smell it.
I like the smell of it. I can't believe you're gonna put this in a video.
Yeah, that's why I hit record. Microsoft lands a deal with the NBA. Did you see this?
I did not.
Yeah, this is like breaking news. I was excited when I saw it. I go, he's busy. This is like 20 minutes ago. Microsoft lands a deal with the NBA to use Azure and Surface starting in the 2021 season. The first thing I thought of was the NFL already uses the Surface on the sidelines and they get all their plugs all the time. Now the NBA is getting it as well. This is big. I mean, that's huge. And the Azure thing is for the fans and all that. They were taking the fan experience to the next level. The NBA commissioner is an absolute genius. So I'm excited to see what they're going to do with Microsoft. Nonetheless, good for Microsoft. Now NFL, NBA, I assume MLB is probably next, or NHL is probably next somehow, some way.
I believe the Microsofties call it Azure.
What did you call them?
Microsofties?
Is that okay? Do I have to beep that
I was
out?
trying to think, is it Microsoft Techies? No. What, like if you're from Texas, you're a Texan. If you're from Microsoft, you're a Microsoftie. Do you not like that?
That's worse than just being a softie. You're a Microsoftie.
Yeah,
That's
well,
brutal.
Is
No.
that not right?
I don't think so.
All right, bleep it out.
No, I'm gonna leave it in there.
Well, it's good for you in your deal there because you've got Stock Madness there.
Yeah, up against Take-Two. Literally yesterday, I said I wanted Take-Two.
You going back to Microsoft?
Well, yeah, now that Microsoft's partnering with the NBA, that's kind of cool. But anyway, that was breaking news. I just kind of thought it's not breaking. Well, I guess it kind of is breaking news when they see this. But yeah,
good.
that was the most recent story that I could find, and I thought it was cool.
I like it. And obviously Microsoft, also if you haven't heard the news or know much about sports, then Microsoft's part of the stay-at-home portfolio. They used to have the FANG stocks, and now everybody's talking about stay-at-home portfolio, and obviously it's doing well. Very good.
That was my one. No, I mean, I have more, but I'm letting you know. Go. Your turn.
I'll start with Disney. Your Disney fun fact of the day. This one's real. If you ever go to Disney,
Was yesterday's not real?
they're all real.
So why would you specify that this
No,
one's
but you're
real?
not going to believe this is real.
Oh, okay.
So in Disney, there's something called, well, as you're going, you know how everything's a different land. You got Tomorrowland, you know this?
Nope.
Tomorrowland, you've got Frontierland. Well, anyways,
Nope.
over in Liberty Square, it's old 19 or 1700s, 1800s buildings, which I've got plenty of stats on that.
I'm sure.
But anyways, when you're going into the different lands, it's kind of like Universal. You know how you go into different lands? Universal.
Yeah, sure.
You've been to Universal?
I do the Halloween Horror Nights thing at night.
Islands of Adventure? Jurassic Park Land?
Universal Studios.
If you'd like to be my partner on this show and actually have some experience with Disney,
I don't like these things. Go ahead.
where was I going with this? Anyways, when you're walking into Frontierland, remember the other day we were talking about the concrete being painted different colors so that your picture looks the best as
Yeah,
possible.
I remember
hire
that.
Kodak and all that great stuff.
Yep.
To further expand on that, when you go into Frontierland, Frontierland. When you go into it, the concrete has a like sort of a light brown stream that is painted on the ground. Do you know why it is painted on the ground?
No.
Because back in the day, they're trying to be as accurate as possible. Back in the day, that light brown stream would have represented urine that just flowed through the streets. Huh? Huh?
Wow.
Moving on.
That's a tough one. That's a tough one.
But it followed up with our theme the other day.
Yeah. Is that what you're starting with? Those.
Urine.
Okay.
Hey, she started with.
yeah. This is a wild show. Let's go with Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box is trading a little bit higher, but the reason I actually brought Jack in the Box up is: have you ever had Jack in the Box?
No, we don't have any here.
We don't have any here, and I was looking earlier to see where the closest one to us is. I was thinking, well, maybe there's one in Florida, just not in Tampa.
Believe so.
Nothing in Florida, nothing in Georgia. South Carolina is actually the closest.
Oh, I would have guessed Georgia. No.
Greenville, South Carolina, maybe Alabama. I didn't look that way. I just kind of went north. But they're trading a little bit higher, and I've never had Jack in the Box, and I was super excited. I was like, oh, maybe I'll try something new today. Nope, no Jack in the Box. Are they hamburgers, chicken? I don't know what they do. Pizza? Nope. Burgers.
Anybody? No, I don't know. I think it's like burgers because we had Jack in the Box in California. Actually, on my personal YouTube channel, we did a video of California. I believe we were sitting there eating Jack in the Box.
You had Jack in the Box and you don't remember?
Couldn't
Isn't that
tell
a
you
whole
what
thing?
I ate. Believe there was a series of fries, a couple scary dudes standing
There's
in the corner.
some chicken on their website.
It was a random Jack in the Box that we did not belong in. Let's put it that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, that was Jack in the Box. I'm pretty hungry and I was excited to try them. But we're not going to try them
They
today.
took away their guidance, by the way. They're not giving guidance. Yet another company not giving guidance for this next quarter. Darn. You're wearing new glasses, by the way.
I am. I think I look really good in these glasses. I want everybody
Clark
to see
Kent thing going on with the little curly.
Yeah, I tried to get rid of that, but it's just stayed.
Costco. Costco's raising their dividend. They raised it 7.5 or 7.7% to 70 cents a share. Basically, they went from 65 cents a share to 70 cents a share.
Yeah.
Oh, you posted the thing earlier.
Yeah, we got no, it's going up later. Spoiler alert.
Oh, darn it. Okay, Costco's up about 3% as of this taping here, getting a higher dividend there. They're just doing better because people are going and buying supplies like Walmart, just doing better there than some of the other stores there. Since the virus high, the stock has fallen 16%. Total, meaning, you know, the average stock fell 39% in the S&P 500, 39% by the way. This one has fallen 16%. So if you look from high to low, 16%, which means it's obviously relatively strong compared to the other stocks out there. And it has about 2% for being added to our list of stocks that are trading above their virus high that we posted yesterday, and also on YouTube as well. Yeah.
Very cool. I'm coming to the realization that my last one was very virus related. So, Facebook. But it's not stock market related, you know. Facebook announced Thursday that it will start warning users if they liked, reacted, or commented on harmful posts that the company has found to be misinformed and removed. So I don't know what that means. They're going to warn people, but anyway, that's it.
You know, you actually can't say it on.
That's why. Did you hear me just go? That was that.
Yeah. You were not supposed to say it. It could, either that or the name of the. You know.
But we've already said it, so
But the
Why are we-
algorithms pick it up. I had to go and tell them they have to manually review it if you want to get paid for the videos to show that you weren't trying to inspire fear or giving false information. Okay, we won't get started on that. Square. This will be my final one and a happy one. I love analyst comments. So I look at all the analyst comments every day. They are either very funny in a highly educated way, or they're trying to tell you something, but they're not actually able to tell you. So, Square downgraded at Raymond James, got it to underperform there. If you look at the stock, it's been beaten down, but this is what the analyst said. Quote, there is a disconnect between recent outperformance of stock and the underlying fundamentals of the business. What do you think they're trying to tell you there? Yeah, right? They use all that language to basically say, don't buy it. Don't buy it. They're telling you that the stock has gone too far and is priced at more than what the company is actually worth, and that it's going to fall. That's their words in my simple Dustin everyday, just kind of tell you how it is.
It's kind of their way of saying it nicely. You know, beating around the bush. Is that what they're
Well,
doing?
you know, if you're a customer of Raymond James, they got the money. You know, you someone who has a lot of money, you don't want someone to tell you like, nah, don't buy that stock, right? They need to
Yeah.
say, well, given the valuation, we feel that the stock price has
I get that.
over-exceeded its current valuation, and it's probably not sustainable. Yeah, I can speak the language. I don't like it.
I get that.
I get it, like chill up my
No,
spine.
jeez.
All right, what?
That's it.
Gotta poop?
Thanks for the spray, but no, I'm not going to go use it now.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll